Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat. You have too many friends and could not add friends. For example, if you try to add more friends on Snapchat and you see an error like you have too many friends and could not add more friends. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to go to general, and in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here, and in app store you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, you have to simply open the Snapchat app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply search for your friends. If you have recently added too many friends on your Snapchat and you want to add more, then what you have to do, and you will find the error, then what you have to do next is you have to simply wait for some time so that you can simply add more friends. But if you wait for many time, much time, and after that you see the still error, then what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings here, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of help center. So here you have to simply look for the Snapchat support so that they can help you better. So you have to scroll it down until you find the option of help center here, and here you will find the Snapchat support, and in Snapchat support you have to simply look for the problem, and if it is not working till now, then you have to simply turn off the Snapchat app, and after that you have to simply click on again. But, otherwise you can simply select any of the options available, and after that you will connect to the Snapchat support, and they will ask you to tell your problem, and after that you will tell them your problem, and they will solve your problem as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.